Tesla's board just got new leadership. The recent appointment of board member Robin Denholm to chairwoman sent shares of Tesla higher. The stock move briefly boosted share prices to levels seen before CEO Elon Musk infamously tweeted that he had funding secured to take the company private at $420 a share. That tweet cost him $20 million in a fine and the chairman's seat. So let's take a look. Todd Gordon, founder of tradinganalysis.com, says the charts suggest Musk's $420 a share valuation may not be such a pipe dream. A move to $420 represents nearly 20% upside from the recent level. Tesla peaked at $389 a share in September of 2017. Musk's August 7th tweet pushed that stock close to that level again before losses sent it back to lows of the year. Todd Gordon says past weakness on the charts give him reason to believe the sell-off in recent months is a pullback before a pop. From its peak in April of 2016 to a trough in June 2016, the stock pulled back about 34%. Another decline from September 2017 to February 2018 marks a 37% decline. The stock rebounded from both of those sell-offs. There's actually a lot of rhyme and rhythm and repetition in this chart, said Gordon. We're seeing a very clean setback, kind of a correction within an uptrend. The shift in board leadership has not changed one vocal Tesla bear's position. It's great that there's a new chairman in place for checks and balances, but the choice does not ease my concern about the instability of management, Mark Tepper, president of Strategic Wealth Partners, recently said. Robin has been part of the Musk team for quite some time. She's a Musk loyalist. Denholm has been a member of the Tesla board since 2014. She left her role as chief financial officer of Australian telecom Telstra to focus on her new position at Tesla. That suggests to me that she might not be the best person to keep him in check. I think he needs a better babysitter, so we're still staying away, said Mark Tepper. So let's take a look at the charts. We are looking at the monthly chart on Tesla, and the symbol is TSLA. And for disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Tesla at this time. And I do agree with Gordon that there is a lot of rhyme and rhythm in this chart, and I think you can see it from this point here where it was traveling sideways for quite some time. It took a move on up and up and up, came down, had a consolidation, and then back up, 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 up again, and a bit of chop in this area here. But the question is, are we on our way back up with Tesla? Let's take a look at the MAC. In the MAC, you can see the similar movement, rhyme, and rhythm as well here. Moving on down to that bottom in late 2016, on our way up, a small consolidation at this point in here. And so now, are we going to move on through with the fast line moving through the slow line? I think so, but let's just take a look further here. The MAC histogram shows much the same. The price rate of change as well. Nice rhythm in this point here all the way through. Now, what I'm looking here is we have a slight downtrend in the fast line. It came up to the slow line and reflected back. Watch that. See where that goes. I think we're going to get a consolidation as we did here from 2016 to 2017. Maybe not as long here currently as we did back then, but watch this fast line reflect back down and see where it goes. I think it's not going to go very far, and if it does move up through the slow line, that's going to be a good sign to get in. Looking here at the relative strength, that looks pretty good too with this bottom here. Let's go back and take a look at this bottom as well in that area there. Very similar setting up here in this period, the recent period. So I do again see the rhyme and the rhythm. You can see it here as well in stochastics. The volume is good with an increase. That I like. Moving into the Williams, again, much the same. We see this chop in here with the sawtoothing back and forth. We only saw a little bit, but the Williams bounced above the 50 and is heading on up, so I like that. To me, everything looks pretty good. I would just wait just a little bit longer and wait and see what some of these oscillators do, particularly that price rate of change. And as usual, continue to monitor the fundamentals on Tesla. It has a lot of volatility and it's in the news, and you have a lot of powerful individuals both on the long side and on the short side. So be careful. But in my opinion, there is strong consideration for this stock as an investment. Just cross your T's and dot your I's. So for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.